Welcome to Unbelievable Top 10. Today, we venture into a peculiar world where nature mimics the human body in the most unusual way. We're exploring 10 creepy plants and fungi that look like human body parts. Nature often surprises us with its knack for mimicry, but sometimes the similarities it creates are downright eerie. In this journey, we'll encounter the Hydnellum pecki, a fungus that oozes a substance resembling a bloody tooth, and the Actaea Pachypoda, a plant bearing berries that mirror the human eye. We'll meet the poisonous doll's eye, the nipple-like Lepiota Boudieri, and the pouting Psychotria Elata. We'll tread carefully around the coveted yet potentially dangerous Morels, the organ-like wrinkled peach mushroom, the snappy Snapdragons, and finally the edible Auricularia auricula, a fungi that bears an uncanny resemblance to a human ear. Prepare to be amazed by the eerie resemblances these plants and fungi bear to our own anatomy. First on our list is the Hydnellum pecki, commonly known as the bloody tooth. This peculiar fungus has a knack for the dramatic oozing a red, sticky substance that eerily resembles a bloody tooth. But don't let its sweet nickname strawberries and cream fool you. This is not a treat you'd want to pick for a woodland picnic. The bloody tooth is more than just a grim spectacle. It plays a significant role in its environment by absorbing toxic elements. This unique ability makes it a sort of natural purifier, albeit with a rather gory presentation. However, it's not edible, so despite its toothsome appearance, you do well to leave this one alone during your forest forages. From its bloody red secretions to its tooth-like texture, every feature of this fungus evokes a chilling sense of fascination. It's a stark reminder of nature's uncanny ability to mimic even the most unexpected aspects of life. With its eerie, bloody appearance, Hydnellum pecki certainly earns its place on our list. Next up is the Actaea Pachypoda, a plant with an uncanny resemblance to a human eye. This intriguing flora is known for its striking white berries, which bear an eerie similarity to doll's eyes, hence its nickname, the doll's eye plant. But don't be fooled by its seemingly innocent appearance. Each berry is filled with a potent toxin that can cause devastating effects if ingested. Imagine having a heart attack just from eating a berry. But it's not just the berries that are dangerous. The entire plant, including its stems and leaves, are filled with toxic compounds that can be harmful to humans. So if you ever come across this plant while exploring the great outdoors, it's best to admire it from a distance. This creepy plant's toxic nature makes it as dangerous as it is fascinating. Its deceptive beauty reminds us that nature, while captivating, always commands respect and caution. Coming up next is the Lepiota Boudieri, a mushroom with a rather peculiar resemblance. Now, don't let your imagination run wild just yet. This peculiar fungus has a cap that quite strikingly resembles a human nipple. Indeed, it's a strange twist of nature that has earned it its colloquial name, the nipple mushroom. As fascinating as this mushroom's appearance is, it's important to remember that not all things in nature are friendly. The Lepiota Boudieri is a prime example. This mushroom is not just peculiar looking, it's also poisonous. Consuming it could lead to mushroom poisoning, a potentially fatal condition. This brings us to the dangers of misidentification. With over 10,000 known species of mushrooms, it's easy to mistake one for another. But when it comes to the nipple mushroom, this could be a deadly error. So while its appearance may be intriguing, it's best to admire this unique fungus from a distance. This mushroom's uncanny resemblance and deadly nature make it a truly creepy specimen. Moving on to a plant with a flirtatious twist, meet the Psychotria Elata, also known as the hooker's lips. This unique tree, native to tropical regions, is known for its bright red bracts that strikingly resemble a set of puckered lips. But these aren't just for show. The lips are actually designed to attract pollinators like hummingbirds and butterflies, which are drawn to the plant's vibrant hue and distinctive shape. Beyond its intriguing appearance, the Psychotria Elata also has a variety of medicinal uses. Its leaves have been used in traditional medicine to treat skin conditions and respiratory issues, showcasing nature's ability to heal as well as captivate. However, the survival of this fascinating species is under threat. Deforestation and habitat loss have placed the Psychotria Elata in precarious conditions, leading to a decline in its population. Conservation efforts are now more crucial than ever to ensure the hooker's lips continue to pout from the rainforest canopy. This plant's puckered lips may be alluring, but its endangered status is a sobering reminder of our impact on nature. Next, we delve into the world of mushrooms again with the highly sought-after morels. Morels, with their distinctive honeycomb appearance, are a favorite among mushroom hunters and gourmet chefs. However, the world of morels is not without its dangers. Enter the false morels, a deceptive species that closely resembles the edible variety. What sets false morels apart is their potential toxicity. Unlike their edible counterparts, these mushrooms can pack a lethal punch. The reason? They can contain gyromitrin, a carcinogenic compound that persists even after the mushroom is cooked or dried. This toxin can lead to severe poisoning, and in some cases it can even be fatal. Though they may appear similar at first glance, distinguishing between true and false morels is crucial. True morels have a honeycomb-like cap entirely attached to the stalk, while false morels have a wrinkled, brain-like cap that's often not fully attached. But here's the catch-22. Despite the risks, the allure of morels is hard to resist. Their rich, earthy flavor is a prized addition to culinary dishes worldwide. Yet the potential danger posed by their toxic doppelgangers makes foraging for morels a game of Russian roulette. While morels are a gourmet delight, their deadly lookalikes make them a risky indulgence. Our next plant is the wrinkled peach mushroom with its uncanny resemblance to human organs. This fascinating fungus is a sight to behold. The wrinkled peach mushroom, also known as the netted Rhodotus, is a unique organism in the world of fungi. Its distinguishing feature is its gelatinous surface, which draws parallels to the texture of certain human organs. With its peachy color and the intricate network of wrinkles on its cap, it's no wonder this mushroom has sparked intrigue and a fair share of unease. Despite its fascinating appearance, the wrinkled peach mushroom is considered inedible. Yes, you heard it right. Although it might look intriguing, it's not something you would want to add to your dinner plate. The world of fungi is as fascinating as it is diverse, and the wrinkled peach mushroom is a prime example of this astonishing diversity. Its organ-like appearance and inedible nature make it a truly unique member of the fungal kingdom. This mushroom's organ-like appearance earns it a spot on our list of creepy plants and fungi. We now turn our attention to a plant that's as beautiful as it is deadly, the snapdragon. The snapdragon isn't just a pretty face. Its name comes from the peculiar shape of its flowers, which bear an uncanny resemblance to the jaws of a dragon. But these aren't just for show. Give them a gentle squeeze and you'll see them snap shut, just like the mythical beast they're named after. But the snapdragon isn't all fun and games. Despite its beauty, every part of this plant contains toxic compounds. This means that while they may be a feast for the eyes, they're certainly not a feast for the palate. So next time you come across these enchanting flowers, remember to admire them from a safe distance. With its deadly bite, the snapdragon is as fascinating as it is frightening. Finally, we have the Auricularia auricula, a fungus with an uncanny resemblance to a human ear. This fascinating fungus, sometimes referred to as the tree ear or jelly ear, has a distinctive jelly-like flesh that gives it a unique texture and appearance. Its cupped, ear-shaped body is one of the reasons for its name and the similarity it bears to our own auditory organs. Yet, unlike the human ear, this fungus is covered in fine hairs that add to its intriguing appearance. One of the most captivating characteristics of the Auricularia auricula is its edibility. Yes, you heard it right. Unlike many of the other plants and fungi on our list, the jelly ear is not only safe to consume, but is also used in various culinary dishes around the world. The Auricularia auricula is an excellent example of how nature can mimic the human form in the most unexpected ways. It's a reminder that the world of plants and fungi is full of surprises, often bearing striking resemblances to our own bodies. With its ear-like shape, the Auricularia auricula rounds off our list of creepy plants and fungi. There you have it, 10 plants and fungi that eerily mimic human body parts. We've delved into the world of the Hydnellum pecki, an unpalatable fungus that oozes a substance resembling a bloody tooth. We've encountered the Actaea Pachypoda, a plant boasting white berries that mirror the human eye, yet carry a deadly toxin. We've discovered the Lepiota Boudieri, a mushroom whose cap bears an uncanny resemblance to human nipples, and the Psychotria Elata, a tree with bright red bracts that mimic puckered lips. We've also explored the world of morels and the dangers of their toxic lookalikes, the false morels. Then, there was the wrinkled peach mushroom, which mimics human organs with its gelatinous surface, and the snapdragons, a poisonous flower that snaps like dragon jaws. Lastly, we discussed the Auricularia auricula, a unique fungus that bears a striking resemblance to a human ear. Each of these plants and fungi offer a fascinating look into nature's mimicry and remind us of the wonders and sometimes dangers that lie in our natural world. Please subscribe to Unbelievable Top 10 for more fascinating videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.